Hey guys, so today we're driving a 2005 BMW. It's a 645 and it's rear wheel drive. This has a 4.4 liter V8. This thing is wicked. There's a ton of power. As you can see, it is a convertible. I actually really like this color, even though it's usually not the color I would like. But honestly, I don't like those wheels though. I've never been a fan of those. It is a convertible, as you can now see the convertible symbol thing. Not symbol, but you know what I mean. The hood. So yeah, CI. So CI means it's a coupe. I would be a sedan. And XI would be all-wheel drive sedan. So it is a dual exhaust. I kind of like this weird design, but it's okay. Yeah, but it's also got lights right on the sides for your blinkers. It's got electric mirrors. Oh yeah, so this is something that BMWs do. A lot of German cars mostly. You see that right here at the window? It'll just like drop down as you open it. That. So, all right. So it does have a tan interior. This one specifically has a lot of like wear and tear. This is huge. Okay, here we go. All right. So look at this. You really don't have very much space. Like, not even, I would say like a child could barely fit their legs in there. Like a small kid. But it does have some wood right here.
It also has a cup holder, surprisingly enough.
Yeah.
Which bumps into your knee. Because the seat is angled like this instead of like that.
I do like the big GPS though.
That is pretty cool.
Oh yeah, this thing is actually really entertaining. You like spin it. Oh, whoa. Let's see what this thing looks like. Here's our 4.4 liter V8. As you can see, all of those resemble a cylinder. What? No way. That is so insane. Big, huge air filter. This is naturally aspirated. There are no turbos or anything for that matter as
not
like...
even in English. Lights off, manual. That's not the first one.
German probably comes first.
It's a German car, right?
Cool. So that's what that looks like. All right. Let's actually drive this thing. Yeah, sorry, I have the key right now.
Now,
ooh, look at that key. That's pretty cool. Oh, yeah, the key goes right in there. You turn it.
And then this comes back down.
Yeah, look how worn that steering wheel is.
Yeah,
ugh.
It's crazy.
Let's go have some fun.
Oh, you know I'm going to put it in sport in a minute here.
Oh, yeah.
I don't even think you did. Yeah,
Any words of wisdom, Nick?
Always go the speed limit. Unless you know you can never be caught because you're on a private track or something like that. Otherwise, keep it under the speed limit.
Unique word of mouth. We are always on a track.
Always. Actually, we're in Mexico right now. So, doesn't even matter. Are we going a little bit? Acting like it's turboed anyway.
Oh my goodness. I
60.
like that. I love how much power it has, and it sounds cool.
Love that V8. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, it's a V8 in a BMW sedan. It's not even like it's a truck.
40 to 75 right there.
Oh. Instantly 50 miles an hour and you were barely even hitting the gas.
Why'd you shift over?
Oh, that sounds great.
60.
That was 60?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, okay.
Handling on this, phenomenal.
Mm-hmm. It has good shocks. It's really comfortable. The seats are really nice. Everything works really well. Oh!
To 50.
That was from 30?
Yeah.
Wow. I really felt it. It's 100 points if you can get the motorcycle without even getting the guy.
Another 30 to 50.
All right. All in all, I would say this car is a really good car. And how much are they selling for it? They're selling it for like 10,000.
Spun out a little bit, but that's the kind of kick that I want.
Yeah.
Right there.
Ooh, that was
You want
nice.
to go, you go. You want to hit a gap in traffic, you hit that gap.
Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.